Greetings. We have a question on our hands. So this question has been taken from a Cambridge paper. It's paper 1 written June 2010. Saka mfunzo wedu uri kuti we are given a triangle and we are also given sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Our question is saying ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB which is equal to BC and AC is equal to 32 centimeters. Using as much information from the table as is necessary, calculate part A, AB, and part B. We have to calculate the area of the triangle ABC. So in order for us to solve part A, I'm going to propose two methods. Method yokutanga ndiyo the formal method yatinofanirwa kushandisa. As method yechi2 is actually a very clever method which I do not necessarily encourage. I do not encourage that method because kubirira, and hatifanirwi kubirira. We are told that we should show all working, and method number 2 does not constitute working. And we are going to try method number 2 from two angles to see if kuwana answer kwedu kuri kujuma. So that is what we want to do. Saka my method number 1 inenge yakadai so. We need to find AB. Saka as I always encourage, kana tichiansa ma questions e trigonometry, we should be able to visualize what we are doing. Saka the best way of doing that, kutodrawa ma triangles aya. Kunyangwe taka iprovidiwa ne question, we have to draw it. So please take heed of my advice and make sure kuti munoidraw. So this is the triangle ABC. We are told kuti iyi ndi theta, then this line AB is equal to that line BC. Panapa is 32 centimeters. Saka tikuda kutsvaga AB. So what we have to do is chekutanga, we have to really understand kuti chii chinonzi isosceles triangle. Saka paside panapa, I'm going to discuss about the isosceles triangle in a bid to employ that information on our question so that we see kuti tinoisolva sei. Saka this is an isosceles triangle. Kuti isosceles zvinoreva kuti this side is going to be equal to that side. Saka this side is equal to this side. Kana ma sides are equal to each other, this means kuti these base angles, tongoti indi theta, indi beta, are also going to be equal to each other. Saka panapa tikati this triangle it's XYZ. Chekutanga chataona pa isosceles triangle ndechekuti XY iri equal to YZ, because two sides should be equal. Saka this is the first realization. Secondly, tichaona kuti the angle theta is going to be equal to the angle beta, and these are called base angles. They are going to be equal to each other. Saka these are the two realizations we make, cannot deductions we make from an isosceles triangle. But there is a third and very vital deduction. Let us say with this angle, it's alpha. Maona. Saka this third angle is going to be alpha. Of course, alpha is going to be equal to 180 degrees subtracting 2 theta. Kana kuti, because it's not part of what I want to write here. Alpha is going to be equal to 180 degrees subtracting 2 theta. Inogona kunyorwa yakati 180 degrees subtracting 2 beta. Kana kunyorwa yakangoti 180 degrees minus theta minus beta. Saka you can work around and find that my deductions are they are accurate. Nepamusana pekuti we are just saying 180 degrees. Zviri kubvepi izvi? Because I don't want to confuse my precious students. Zviri kubvepi izvi? Zviri kubva pakuti alpha plus theta plus beta is equal to 180 degrees, because the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Saka kana takuda kutsvaga alpha, we are just going to transfer theta na beta to the other side of the equal sign. And we know kuti kana taita izvozvo, they are going to change arithmetic signs. Kureva kuti it becomes 180 minus theta minus beta. Saka this justifies third equation, cannot the third statement. The first and the second, ingori nawo yekuti alpha and beta, beta and theta are equal to each other. So because beta and theta are equal to each other, 2 theta cannot 2 beta zvakangofanana nekuti beta plus theta. I hope I did not confuse you there, but that is basically what I want here. Chandiri kuda kukuratidza yapo as my third deduction ndechekuti if we put a perpendicular bisector kana kuti a perpendicular line here, zvichaitika panapa ndezvekuti, let us go pakati apa, toda kupati, we can call it toti C. Saka tikaisa line iro, maona line rino iri richagura alpha into 2 equal parts. And chiri kuita kuti rigure alpha into 2 equal parts in a way kuti xy is equal to yz. Saka line iri, this perpendicular line, rinogura alpha into 2 equal parts, rosvika rogura xz into 2 equal parts. Kureva kuti xc inenge equal to cz. And this is a very important deduction, which is going to be material pakuanswer question yedu. So let me reiterate a little. Zvaitika panapa ndezvekuti kana iri isosceles triangle kana equilateral triangle, it might be a little different Pascaline triangle, but we don't want to discuss about it now. And if you need to know the differences, equilateral triangle, a triangle in 3 equal parts, 3 equal sides, which then means kuti the interior angles are equal and it's 60 degrees. Then an isosceles triangle in 2 equal sides, zvinoita kuti mabase angles ave equal to each other. Then lastly, scalene triangle haina an equal side, kureva kuti haina ma-angles ari identical, ma-interior angles that is. Even ma-exterior acho, they in many ways behave like interior angles. Okay, that said, tiri kuti tikaisa a perpendicular line riri kubva pavertex y, achiti vertex tikureva that point are part of a triangle. Tikaisa that line rinosvika richigura the base into 2 equal parts. So stay tuned to see how this actually applies to our question. Going back to our question, zviri kuitika pano ndezvekuti tichaisa this line pakati panapa, tichaisa a perpendicular line pakati apa, like this. And the reason yatiri kuriisira inawo yekuti tiri kuda kucreata a filling kana kuti a fill of a right angled triangle. Coming from where? Coming from the realization that metric ratios, sin theta, cos theta na tan theta, they only work kana tine right angled triangle. Saka tapiwa an isosceles triangle, we can subdivide the isosceles triangle into these two right angled triangles, which is triangle iri kuside kunoku, which is my left, and triangle iri kuside uku, which is my right. But from what we learned previously, zvatangobva kudzidza izvezvi, we learned kuti this line, because this is an isosceles triangle, is going to bisect the AC line in such a way that kubva pana A kusvika panapa ngatiti ndi X, tichange tiine 16 centimeters. Kubva pana X kusvika pana C, tichange tiina 16 centimeters. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32 centimeters. Ndo patinotangira. Saka tadai manje takuda kuona kuti tanzi titsvage chi AB. Saka AB chimbori chii? Takatarisa right angled triangle, tinoona kuti aiwa AB is the hypotenuse. So from our chasho tau, this is very important, we see kuti in order for us to find the hypotenuse, we have to either use cos kana kuti we use sine. Maona, say that we use cos kana kuti we use sine. But kana takatarisa panapa manje, and tichiseparata this triangle ish, taiseparata panapa pana B, apo pana A, apa no pane broken line, then like this, panapa pana 16 centimeters. Saka isusu tiri kutsvaga AB. Saka kuti tiwane AB tiina theta, tinofanira kushandisa chi? Cos. Nepamusana pekuti we have a side which is adjacent to theta. Maona. Saka because we have a side which is adjacent to theta, when we know kuti the cos of theta is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse, saka we have to use what? We have to use the cos. Saka kana takuisolve manje, let me put it in this color. Izvi ndo zvakuchinyorwa muexam. Takusolva A, and tichati the cos of theta is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse, like this. But tikatarisa pakatable kanaka, tatopiwa kuti cos theta ndiani. Kwanzi cos theta ndiani? Ndi 8 over 17. Saka pana cos theta panapa, replace na 8 over 17. Zoda tumbatisise. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Alright, before ndadaro, I think ndamanya. Before ndadaro, katidaiso cos theta is equal to adjacent ndiani ndi 16 centimeters over hypotenuse ndiani ndi AB watiri kutsvaga. Anditi, I think totenderana panapa. Tadaro manje, takuti cos theta ndiani? Cos theta taudzwa kuti ndi 8 over 17. Saka tichati 8 over 17, like this, is going to be equal to 16 over AB. Tanzi titsvage AB. Saka transition ino iyi yakakosha, haifanirwi kuti confuse. Kuti hatina kupiwa an angle, asi tatopiwa the whole value of cos theta. Saka this is just substitution, kureplace. You understand? Saka kana tadaro, kana takuda kuweka panapa, toziva kuti through cross multiplication, of course, we are going to see kuti 8 icha multiply AB is equal to 16 ichimultiplier 17. Then of course kuti saritina ab kunoku tichadivhaidha na8 of course kunoku todivhaidha futi nani na8 ma8 odamburana toona kuti ab equal to chi tikati 8 into 8 ndi1 8 into 16 ndi2 2 times 17 ndi 34 saka 34 centimeters is the answer. AB is equal to 34 centimeters. So ndo maitiro atinoita pandinototyira kuti mastudents angu anogona kusanyatsokunzwisisa itransition ino ishi zvaitika apa, but it's very important. Saka tadaro manje rega tichiita matirikisi. Saka matirikisi handisi kumakurudzira hama dzangu, but semudzidzisi wemaths I also want kuti muenjoye maths dzacho. Saka kana takuita matirikisi edu manje chingomatarisa yenyu, but kana muda kudzidzira method yekubuditsa anza, method yataita panapa iye matirikisi siyanai nayo. Saka it's ABC panapa taudzwa kuti kubva pana A kusvika pana C i32 centimeters. Taudzwa panapa kuti ndi theta, then tabva taisa this bisector panapa. But before we go anywhere, tanga tatoudzwa kuti sin theta iri equal to 15/17 ndokuudzwa kuti cos theta iri equal to 8/17 ndokuudzwa kuti tan theta iri equal to 15/8 15/8 like that. Alright, ngatiti tanga tisina kuaplya zvataita apo. Saka tikawedzera panapa we know kuti kubva pana A kusvikira pana X inenge iri 16 centimeters, panapa futi richi 16 centimeters. But tiri pano we have to rewrite, kana kuti we want to rewrite ma-trig ratios anaya in this manner. Toda manyora takati isusu sin theta we know kuti it's equal to, it's chasho opposite of hypotenuse, which is equal to chi, which is equal to in this case 15/17. Then tikanyora cos theta which is cha adjacent of hypotenuse, and in this case it's equal to 8/17. Then lastly tikanyora tan theta which is adjacent, it's tau, without its opposite, not adjacent, opposite of adjacent, which in this case is equal to 15/8. So takatarisa matrig ratios aya, we can actually know kuti opposite ndiani. Saka opposite inenge iri equal to chi. Tikatarisa opposite panapa tikuona kuti inenge iri 15, because I hope you are not confused. A over B is equal to 2/3. Zvongoreva kuti A anenge ari equal to 2, B ari equal to 3. Saka kana tiine a fraction iri equal to another fraction, zvongoreva kuti the numerators are going to be equal to each other, the denominators are also going to be equal to each other. Saka kana tiina sin theta is equal to opposite of hypotenuse which is equal to 15/17, zvoreva kuti opposite inenge iri equal to chi, to 15. Tikatarisa chiro panapa opposite iri equal to chi, to 15. Saka it's confirmed. Okay, what about the adjacent? Imbori equal to chi adjacent? Tikatarisa pana cos adjacent anenge ari 8, tikatarisa pana tan adjacent 8 zvakare. Todai total right. Ko hypotenuse imbori equal to chi? Tikatarisa pana sin hypotenuse ndi 17, pana cos ndi 17 zvakare, like this. Okay, saka taona kuti opposite ndi 15, adjacent ndi 8, hypotenuse ndi 17. taking into cognizance kana kuti tisingakanganwe kuti this is the opposite adjacent and hypotenuse of theta. So the opposite of theta is going to be what? 15. Sangati say in a white color, 15 banana. Then the adjacent of theta, which is this, is going to be 8. And the hypotenuse of theta will be 17. But kana tikadai so, we see kuti we hit a problem. Problem yatinosangana nayo ndeyekuti panapa, according to the laws of isosceles triangles, kubva pana A kusvikira pakati panapa, it should be 16. But patiri kumechesa ma-trig ratios edu, pari kubuda pari 8. Saka tinoita sei kuna 8 kuti ave 16? We are going to multiply 8 by 2. Saka zvatiri kumultiply 8 by 2, we have to also multiply 17 by 2 and 15 by 2. Kuti tite keep the integrity of everything. Kureva kuti tenge takuti panapa, the hypotenuse, takuchianza A manje, the hypotenuse which is equal to AB should be 17 times 2, which is equal to 34 centimeters. Yatawana iyo ishi. Zvakafanana guys. Saka iyo method yokubirira haiitwe, tangoitira kuti tinakirwe nemedzi dzacho, because dzofunga kuti tinakidza. We should also learn, on top of learning kuti zvawekwa sei, we should learn kuti how should we think towards the answer. All right. Ameno. Patikaita Pythagoras theorem tine pati yatakasirira inotaura pamusoro peanonzi maPythagorean triples. MaPythagorean triples. Saka pane zvimwe kuti zvandodaita. Saka maPythagorean triples zvaanonga achitaura, anga achingotaura manhamba matatu anenge akaarrangwa in such a way. It's actually a triple ane relationship according to the Pythagoras theorem. Saka panapa zvatinogona kuita ndezvekuti we can test kuti ayo manhambawo atanyora, are they authentic? Kureva 17, 15 na8. Saka tikati 17 squared, is it equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared? Izvi tiri kuzviitira kuti tione kuti 17, 8 na 15 are they Pythagorean triples? Kana asiri zvoreva kuti that is not a right angled triangle. So let us do it tuone kuti zvobuda here. Saka tikati 17 squared in calculator, it's 289. This is equal to, of course, 8 squared and 64 plus what is 15 squared, the 225. So 289 iri equal here to 64 plus 225. Yes, it's equal. Saka those are Pythagorean triples. Okay. Okay. Saka all right. Panapa tikati iyo 17 times 2 imbori chi 34. Saka 34 squared iri equal here to 16 squared plus 30 squared. Tinoona kuti maPythagorean triples here futi. Saka 34 squared inenge iri 1156 and 16 squared, it's 256 plus what is 30 squared, it's 900. So let us check kuti 900 plus 256. Yes, they are also Pythagorean triples. All right, it's okay. Yeah, just wanted to check there. saka takaisiya because it's immaterial. Hakuna question inomboya ichifunza about Pythagorean triples. Question iyoyo inotongoya ichifunza about the Pythagoras theorem. Mazviona? Alright, saka this was for fun. Scrape it away. Learn the first method. It's very important. Kunyange wangu, I'm going to investigate in my personal capacity why ndichifanga zoti 8 times 2. Why zvisiri kungomecha. That is what I should actually investigate in my personal capacity. Saka taweka kudai so. Let us now go to the second part of our question. The second part of my question iri kuti we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Saka area of triangle ABC haichatonetse nepamusana pekuti panapa taweka tikaona kuti ndi 34. Saka kana tichida kutsvaga area, we know kuti area of triangle kana kuti area of ABC is equal to half of AB sine theta. Saka this is going to be equal to, tichati half of, what is going to be A? Saka A is going to be 32. Kubva panapa kunobata up 32. Mapaona? Because kana titi half of AB, A na B should be malines ari kunosangana achigadzira angle yacho. Saka it's going to be 32 panapa, and B is going to be 34. But pana sine theta tichanotora iri pakatable panapa 15/17 like this. Saka tadai so manje, what is 17 plus 17? The 34. Saka 17 to 17 ndi 1, 17 into 34 ndi 2, 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 2 ndi 1. Kureva kuti eventually our answer should be 32 times 15, of which if we multiply these two, tinowana our final answer. Here's 0, 1 times 2 ndi 2, 1 times 3 ndi 3, 5 times 2 ndi 10, that is 1 here, 5 times 3 ndi 15 plus 1, 16. We add panapa, it's 0, 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 480 is going to be our answer. So this question was really fascinating. I hope you learned one or two. And I'm going to re-emphasize kuti method yatinodzidza method number 1. Method number 2 kwanga kungori hako kufara kwedu pakudzidza kwedu maths. Zvekutoti kana mukatoona method number 1 mukapedza mukatongodzimira video iroro ipapo munenge matozviitira zvakanaka. Mazvinzwa? Okay. Saka if there's any part yamusina kunzwisisa, or if you want to help me discover tine makaita zoti 8 times 2 zvaregere kungomecha, you can contact me via comments. Asi kana muchida extra lessons, if you want to join the Math Hub, you can contact us on these 2 numbers. Saka these 2 numbers, they actually available on WhatsApp. But kana muchida kufona mema kutoshandisa this South African number. So thank you for your patience, thank you for your endurance, and thank you for your learning, and have a nice day.